Today I'll be showing you how I made my Sunday shoe, my Sunday sneaker shoe. Please, if you haven't watched my last video where I taught how to draft out a simple pattern for sneakers, my Sunday shoe, a simple pattern drafting, please go and watch that video. Thank you. So now this is a pure and original leather, a wet loose mixed with a stripe design on it. So that's what I'm going to be using today. So I'm trying to check if there are blemishes or spots or holes on the leather to make sure the direction I'm going to get out my draw my pattern on, it's very clean and there are no blemishes on it. So now we have gotten where we need to. You trace out the pattern on it. Please, if you are here for the first time, please consider subscribing. Like and share my videos, and always turn on that bell, that notification bell, so that when I post any video you will always see it. Thank you for being a part of this family. So I just noticed that the direction of my leather, I missed it. So I was supposed to place it on the line, the stripe on the leather. I wanted it to be straight, so I'm going to recheck the leather before tracing my pattern again on it. So there are some leathers that have pattern that you have to be sure of the direction you want to follow, because you are turning it, at the back. You are turning it to the back to trace out your pattern. So you have to be very sure when you are placing your pattern. The direct direction that you want to follow, you need to be sure. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to check and do it again. The particular spot that I wanted to trace out my pattern, so that's the same place I will use. So please don't mind the one I've marked out before. I'm going to just do it on this direction. Now I can cut out. This is the second part. The first part is where I showed how to draft out the pattern drafting of my Sunday shoe, sneakers pattern drafting. So this is the second video. So please watch out for my next video where I'll continue on how I made my Sunday shoe. This is just the first, the second part, the second clip, or the second. If you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing, like and share our videos, and also please turn on that notification bell so that whenever I post any video you always see it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.